Today we're doing a surprisingly easy home repair do-it-yourself project. Installing a cement board, Wonder Board it's called, or a perma board, under tile that we're placing in a hallway. Now you have to do this because otherwise when you walk on the tile it will crack if it's put over a wooden floor. If you have cement, you're going to be okay with simply putting a moisture barrier in, but in this case we have a dry floor, an original floor. We're going to put the cement board in to make a solid surface.
First, find out how big an area you have to cover. Multiply the width in inches by the length in inches and divide by 12. Funny shaped room? Well, make it into two rectangles. Do the same thing, but add the two values together. Now you can go shopping. You'll need Thinset. The pre-mixed type ensures consistency and saves time. Backer board or cement board that's water resistant. Fiberglass joint tape, which you just cut and set in place. Drywall screws, 1 inch or longer. Your X-Acto knife with a lot of extra blades, or that special backer board cutting tool. Two kinds of trowels, the pointy type with the triangular edge and the notch type with the wavy edge. Plus a metal straight-edged square, a measuring tape, a pencil or Sharpie, a drill with Phillips head bit, and drill bit size to your screw thickness. Now you're going to mark, cut, and position each board. You're going to use the straight-edged square to guide you as well as your tape measure. Leave about 1/2 inch between each board because they'll expand. This is where the tape is going to go, holding the boards together. Cut first and you'll work faster with less risk of the Thinset drying.
This backer board is remarkably easy to score and snap. Obviously scoring means multiple times scraping against a hard edge. It really doesn't take more than maybe 10 or 20 pieces. Now, snap. It's that easy. Score the back. And remember, you're going to put the rough side up if you're laying tile.
Now cover the wood floor under each board with Thinset, applied with a swirling motion.
We've already laid it in there, so I'm going to just show you here a little bit of the technique. Drop some of it on. You can even trowel it on roughly, so it's kind of even. Then use your tool to give it a swirl. When you press the Wonder Board down, as in when you press tile down, it creates a suction between these different sections, and each one of them is going to hold better and more smoothly than if you tried to make it stick simply by doing that.
While the Thinset's still damp under each board, insert screws around the edges about 6 inches apart. The work will go faster if you do drill pilot holes first. The final step is to put the tape down and basically squish smoothly the Thinset down in between the cracks so that it'll end up drying. In a situation something like this, it will be very, very smooth with no protuberances.
Just really pour it in there so the tile will not find itself bumped up and elevated on any of those screws.
So that's it. If I can do it, you can do it, and it'll look great. We did all this without even an assistant.